samappada nirvighnan kuru me deva sarvakaryesu sarvada. On today's educative atmosphere, my best pram and cordial congratulations to the respected judges, teachers, my classmates and youngers. Now I feel very happy and lucky one to deliver a debate on can modern devices replace the teachers altogether. Dear friends, we all know education is the most powerful weapon to challenge our day-to-day life as well as development of a country. Education removes the darkness of illiteracy and brings the light of literacy. School is a man-making factory and teachers are the real operators of it. Teachers are guide, friend and philosopher of students. But today's modern technology is challenging the sector of teaching. But in this regard, I can rightly say that modern devices can never replace the teachers altogether. There are many views on this comparison. So, teachers are the living bodies who can monitor the students' attitude. Computers, mobile phones, projectors, e-panel boards are only side medium to provide lesson among the students. In teaching-learning process is a communicative process which correctly implemented by the teacher. In lesson delivery, a teacher can naturally meet the students and clear their doubts. But on the other hand, it cannot be done by any electronic device. A teacher can balance the present situation of a class. They can guide and counsel a student for their future life as per their talent and interest. They can refer the students in high, medium and low achievement standards. They cannot depend on any electronic device for teaching process. The students cannot face eyesight problems compared to any electronic device. The rural students cannot operate the device correctly, but they can understand the lesson from the teachers. The teacher can correct the answer of the students, but the device can. We can ask questions to the teachers until our doubts clear, but not in device. The teacher can control the disturbance in students, but the device can. According to Gandhiji, teachers are the cultivators of education farm, providing sweet fruits of knowledge. In other countries like America, Brazil, Japan, Korea, Australia, teachers go to door to clear doubts through examples, but which cannot be done in electronic device. In our country, cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, students are more interested to learn by teachers' representation. The teachers can prove or show any theory in laboratory, which cannot be done in online class. In the conclusion, really, teachers are the true trainees and motivators of the past, are of the present and will be of the future. No one can challenge a teacher for a better teaching. I, Satyalena Pradhan, can strongly say that teachers are the true eye, nose, ear and hands of the students and cannot compare with any other else. Thank you. Namaskar.